subdivision and multiplication. For first one, binary addition. There are mainly 4 rules for a binary addition. Binary means it's only consists of zeros and ones. So in this binary addition, there are mainly 4 rules are there. If we add 0 plus 0, then we will get the result will be 0. If 0 plus 1, then it will be 1. 1 plus 0 is also 1. And if it is 1 plus 1, then we will get the sum 0 and with a carry 1. So you should remember, if we add 2 ones, then we will get sum is 0 and carry is 1. So give an example here. We are adding two numbers 1011 plus 11001. Here 2 indicate that its basis or radix is 2, that is binary radix. Then here the number is given 10111 and 11001. The last rule, what is 1 plus adding 1 plus 1? There is a sum is 0 and there will be a carry here. So carry will be written upward here. And again adding 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 1, and we again add with carry. Add with carry is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, sum is 0 and again there is a carry. Then again 1 plus 0, 1, then add with carry 1 plus 1, again sum is 0 and there will be a carry 1. Then 1 plus 0, 1, then add carry, then we will get 0 sum and the carry is 1. So 1 plus 1, 0, there is a carry, then 1 0, that means 1 0. 1 0 plus 1, 1 0 plus 1 is 1 1. So it will be 1 1. So when we add two numbers, if we add 1 plus 1 plus 1, we will get 1 plus 1, 0 is the sum and there will be a carry 1. We again add 1 0 plus 1 means 0 plus 1, 1, then there is no carry, so here 1, 1. Then again we are adding 1. What is this? 1 plus 1, 0. Then there will be a carry 1. Then 1 plus 1, 0. Then there is a carry that will be written here. This is 1. In binary, we know that here 1 0 indicates 2, decimal number 2. It is 2. Then 2 plus 1, 3, that is 1 1. 1 1 is 3. Then 3 plus 1, we will get 4. So this after the addition, we will get the result 1 1 0 0 0 0 and its base is also 2. Then next, another example, when we adding 1101 dot 101 and plus 111 dot 011. So here we are having a decimal points, then decimal addition. Here is shows the power positional weight. Here 2 raised to 0, that is 1, 2 raised to 1 2, 2 raised to 2 4, 2 raised to 3 8. Then here 2 raised to minus 1, 2 raised to minus 2 and 2 raised to minus 3. Then what will be the result? If we adding 1 plus 1, then 0, sum is 0, there will be a carry 1. Then 0 plus 1, 1 plus carry 1 1. 1 plus 1, 0, there will be a carry, and 1 plus 1, 0, there will be a carry. Then 1 plus 1, we will get 10, 10 plus 1, 11, that is 1, and there will be a carry 1. Then 1 plus 1, 0, then there is a carry 1. So 1 plus 1, we will get 1 0, 1 0 plus 1, we will get 1 1. So 1, there will be a carry 1. Then 1 1, adding 1 1, we will get 0, then carry is 1. So the result will be 10101.1000. So remain one things, if we add 1 0 plus 1, then we will get 1 1. Then 1 1 plus 1, we will get 1 0 0. Do the exercise. The next one is subtraction. Here binary subtraction also have 4 rules. If we subtract 0 from 0, then we will get 0 and borrow is 0. If you subtract from 0 minus 1, then we will get the result is 1 and also borrow is 1. If we subtract 0 from 1, then we will get result 1 and borrow is 0. And we subtract 1 minus 1, then we will get the result 0 and borrow is 0. So main thing is subtraction. When we subtract from 0, 1 is subtract from 0, we will get the result 1 and the borrow is 1. So here we are performing subtraction. The first number is 1010.010 and subtract 111.111. So here first we are taken 0 minus 1. Here we can't take subtract. We cannot subtract 1 from 0. So we borrow a 1 from here. So here we are taken a 1. So it will becomes 1 0. So 1 0 minus 1, we will get 1. നിങ്ങൾ നേരത്തെ പഠിച്ച ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടാകാം, അഡീഷൻ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 1 plus 1 എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്താണ് കിട്ടുന്നത്? 1 0 ആണ് കിട്ടുന്നത്. So 1 0 ൽ നിന്ന് 1 മൈനസ് ചെയ്താൽ we will get 1. സോ നിങ്ങളെപ്പോഴും നമ്മൾ പണ്ട് സ്കൂളിൽ പഠിക്കുമ്പോൾ ചെയ്ത പോലെ നിങ്ങൾ നോക്കുക, ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ സബ്ട്രാക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുമ്പം നമുക്ക് സെയിം റിസൾട്ടാണോ കിട്ടണമെങ്കിൽ അറിയാൻ വേണ്ടി നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും, ഇവിടുന്ന് ഇത് രണ്ടും കൂടി ആഡ് ചെയ്താൽ നമുക്ക് ഫസ്റ്റ് 1 കിട്ടണം. അപ്പോൾ അത് നോക്കുക. ഹിയർ 0 plus 1, 0 ൽ നിന്ന് 1 മൈനസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. സോ വി വിൽ ടേക്ക് 1 ഫ്രം this position and it becomes 10, that is 2. 2 minus 1, we will get 1. So now it becomes 0. If we take 1 from here, it will become 0. So 0 minus 1, we can't subtract 1 from 0. So we will take from next position. Here it is also 0, so we can't take. So we move to next position, is also 0, we can't take. So next we move to here. Here we will take 1 from here, then it becomes 0. Then it moves to here, then it becomes 10. ഒരു കാര്യം ഓർക്കണം, നമ്മളിവിടെ ഒരു ക്യാരി കൊണ്ടുവരുമ്പം 0 വരുമ്പം അത് 1 അല്ല ആവുന്നത്, അത് 10 ആണ് ആവുന്നത്. Then 10. So here it becomes 10. We are taking 10 means is adding 2 numbers, 1 plus 1, 10. So we take 1 from here and it moved to here. Then it becomes 10. So we are taking 1 from here and it moved to here, it becomes 10. So 10 minus 1, 1. So 10 minus 1 1. Then ഇവിടെ remaining ഒരു 1 ആണുള്ളത്. 1 minus 1 0. Then here again 1. Then 1 minus 1 0. Then here 0 minus 1. Here it is 0. 0 minus 1. We can't minus 1 minus from 0. So we are taking from this position. Is so 0. So we can't take here. Then again we are moved to next position 1. So we can take from here 1. Then it becomes 0. Then it moved to here. It becomes 1. So if we take 1 out of 1 from here, and it becomes 10. So 10 minus 1 1. Then 1 minus 1 0. Then here it is 0. So this will be the result. So subtraction ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചിരിക്കുക. നമുക്ക് 0യിൽ നിന്നും 1 മൈനസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. അപ്പം നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? നെക്സ്റ്റ് പൊസിഷനിൽ എവിടെയാണോ 1 ഉള്ളത് ആ 1 ബോറോ ചെയ്യും. അപ്പം അവിടെ ബോറോ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കേണ്ട കാര്യം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് നമ്മൾ ബോറോ ചെയ്ത് നെക്സ്റ്റ് പൊസിഷനിലേക്ക് വരുമ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ 0 അല്ലാന്ന് 10 ആണ് ആകുന്നത്. ദെൻ നമ്മൾ ഒന്നിലധികം പൊസിഷനിലേക്ക് നമുക്ക് ബോറോ ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ ആ 10 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 2 ones ആണ് കമ്പൈൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് 10 ആവുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഒരു 1 നമ്മൾ നെക്സ്റ്റ് പൊസിഷനിലേക്ക് ക്യാരി ചെയ്യും. ഒരു 1 അവിടെ വെച്ചിട്ട് ലെഫ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് നെക്സ്റ്റ് 1 ക്യാരി ചെയ്യും. അപ്പോൾ ക്യാരി ചെയ്ത് നെക്സ്റ്റ് 0th പൊസിഷൻ എത്തുമ്പോൾ അവിടെ എന്താവും? 10 ആവും. അങ്ങനെയാണ് ഇത് സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ നടത്തുന്നത്. ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചിരിക്കുക. Then do this exercise. Then next one is binary arithmetic multiplication. Multiplication also has 4 rules. 0 multiplied with 0, 0. Anything multiplied with 0 is becomes 0. If 1 is multiplied with 1, then 1 is the answer. Then this is the multiplication. 1 0 0 1 into 1 0 0 0. When we multiply these two numbers, here there are two methods for multiplication, paper method and computer method. Here we are using paper method. Paper method is similar to the method we are used for decimal number multiplication. Then here, if anything is multiplied with 0, that becomes 0. That is 0 is multiplied with 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 is multiplied with 0 and 0 is multiplied with 1, it becomes 0. Then there are, then again 0 is multiplied with here or 0 is multiplied with here. Then നമ്മൾ നോക്കേണ്ടത് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന പൊസിഷൻ. ഇവിടെ 0 സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഇവിടെയാണ്. ഇത് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പം 0ൻ്റെ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഇവിടെയാണ്. നമ്മൾ സാധാരണ ഡെസിമൽ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ. ദെൻ തേർഡ് 0 is multiply സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഹിയർ. ദീസ് ആർ ഡോണ്ട് കെയേഴ്സ്. ദെൻ അഗെയിൻ ഹിയർ 1 multiply with 1 is 1. 1 multiplied with 0 is 0. 1 multiplied with 0 is 0. 1 multiplied with 1 is 1. Then sum all these numbers. Here it is 0. Here it is 0. 0. Here it is 1. Is 0. 0. 1. So this will be the result 1 0 0 1 0 0 0. Then another example. Multiply 1011 into 0.101 into 101.01. Here multiplication is similar. 1 is multiplied 1, 1 is multiplied with 0, 1 is multiplied with 1, 1, 1 is multiplied with 1, 1, 1 is multiplied with 1, it is 1, 1 is multiplied with 0, 0 and 1 is multiplied with 1, 1. Then here 0 is multiplied with any number, it becomes 0. Then next 1 is multiplied with this number, it will get 1 0 1 1 1 0 1. Then 0 again all are 0. Then 1 multiplied with this number, it will get 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1. Only check the correct position. We should write the correct position. Then adding these numbers 1 0 1 1 is 0 1 1 1 plus 0, then there is a carry 1, then add with that 1 with the carry, it will be 0, then again carry, then 1 plus 1 we will get 1 0, 1 0 plus 1 we will get 1 1, then 1 1 plus 1 we will get 1 0 0, that is 0, and there will be a carry 1, then 1 plus 1, there is carry 10 ആണ് വരുന്നത്, 10 plus 1 1 11, that is 1, then 1 plus again a carry 1 plus 1 1 1 plus 1 1 0, 1 0 plus 1 1 1, 1 1 plus 1 1 0 0, so 0, then 10 will be the carry, 10 plus 1 1 11, that will be 1, and again a carry, then 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11, there will be a carry 1, then 1 plus 0 plus 0 1, then 1. So നിങ്ങൾ ഓർത്തിരിക്കേണ്ട കാര്യം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് one 1 0, when we add 1 plus 1 we will get 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 means 1 1, so when we adding 1 plus 1 it will be 1 0, and plus 1 we will get 1 1. Again if there is a carry we are adding 1 plus 1 we will get 1 1 0, there will be a carry 1, so 1 plus 1 0, again there is a carry 1, so 1 0 1, so here we write 0, then remaining carry will be 1 0, so we are adding this 1 0 plus 1 here, so 1 1, 1 0 plus 1 1 1, there is 1, there will be a carry, that will be goes to here. So when we add 4 ones we will get 1 0 0, so 0 1 0 is the carry, that will be here, move to here, then this result will be 1 1 1 1 0 1, then decimal point is put how many numbers, 1 2 3 4 5, so his point 1 1 1 1 1, so this will be the result. After here total decimal point we put after 5 digit position, so here 1 0 0 0 0 we put the decimal point. If only after here 4 numbers are there, then we will put here, so this will be the result. Do this exercise. The next one is binary arithmetic division. So division is also two types, paper method and computer method. Here we are discuss paper method, is also similar to the decimal division. So here the number 110 divided by 101. First we know that divisor 101 cannot go in the first 3 bits of the dividend. So here first we know that 101 is 5. Here it is 110. നമ്മൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് നോക്കുന്ന ഫസ്റ്റ് 3 digits. Here it is 3 digit. Then we first consider the first 3 digit here. Here it is 101. It is 5. 110 is here 6. So 6 is divisible by 1. How many times? It moves 1 times. So 1. So 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. Then minus or subtract 101 from 110. What will be the result? 0 is cannot be subtracted from 1 is cannot be subtracted from 0. So we are taking a carry from here. So when we take a carry from here, it becomes 10. 10 minus 1, it becomes 1. So here if we take a it becomes 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So here 1. Then we are taken, move this 1 to here. 1, 1. 1, 1 means 3. 3 is less than 5. So it's not divisible. So we put 0 here. Then again we move this 1 to here. If it is put 0, 0 multiplied with anyone, 0, 0, then we will get 1, 1. Then we move this 1 to here. Then 1, 1, 1 is 7. So 7 is less than, 7 is greater than 5. So it's divisible. So 1 is taken. 1 multiplied with 1, 0, 1. Then 1, 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 1, 1 minus 0. Then move this 0 to here. Then here 100 is not divisible by 101. So it's 0. When we given 0 here, then it becomes 0, 0, 0. Then remainder is 0, 0, 1. So it's similar to decimal multiplication, division. So the result will be quotient 1010 and remainder 100. The another example is 101 is divided by 110. So here first consider the first 3 digits 101 and 110. It is 101 is 5. We can't 110 is 6. So we can't divide 5 by 6. So we are taking the first 4 position 1011. So 1011 is divisible by 110. So it's 1 time. So 1 times. So it is 110. So 110 minus 1011 minus 110. What will be that? 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 1. 1 cannot be subtracted from 0. So we take 1 to here, borrow 1. So it becomes 0. And here it becomes 10. 10 minus 1, 1. 10 is 2. So 2 minus 1, 1. Then we will get 101. Then move this 10 to here. Then 1010 is divisible by 110. So we put 1 here. Then 110. Here 0 minus 0 here. 1 minus 1 here. 0 cannot be subtracted from 1 cannot be subtracted from 0. So we are taken, move to next position and it's 1. So we take 1 borrow from here. Then if we take borrow, then it becomes 0 and it is taken here, it will becomes 10. 10 minus 1, 1. Here it is 0. So again move this 1 to here. 1001. So we can divisible So it put 1, 1 here, 1, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1. So it is 1, 1, 0. So subtract this. What will be the result? 1 minus 0, 1. 0 minus 1, we can't subtract. So we try to move to next position and we try to take a borrow from here, but here 0 we can't take. So we move to next position. We take borrow and it becomes 0 and it becomes 10. So we need to take 1 from here, so it becomes 1, and we move 1 to here, then it becomes 10. So 10 minus 1, 1. Then here 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Here is also 0. Then it becomes 1, 1. So we are adding 0. When adding 0, we are put a decimal point here. Then we are again 110 is divisible by 1. So 1 is put here. 1 into 1, 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1. So here subtract 0 minus 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. This is the result. This will be the result. So do the following exercise. Thank you.